Did you know someone once sold the Eiffel Tower twice in 1 year? In 1925, Victor Lustig was the most daring con man alive. He had a brilliant plan that would shock the world. Lustig created fake government documents claiming France wanted to secretly sell the Eiffel Tower. The reason? Maintenance costs were too expensive. He invited 6 scrap metal dealers to a private meeting at a fancy Paris hotel. Dressed like a government official, Lustig explained the tower had to go, but it was top secret. The dealers believed every word. One man paid Lustig a huge sum for the famous landmark. Lustig took the money and disappeared. But here's the crazy part. 1 month later, he returned to Paris with the same fake story. He found new victims and sold the exact same tower again. The second buyer also paid in full. Lustig had successfully sold a landmark he never owned twice. The French government had no idea what happened. Both victims were too embarrassed to report the crime. Lustig became a legend,